Welcome back to Car Alerts. The 2025 Porsche 911 lineup continues its legacy as an icon, redefined for a modern age while staying true to its unmistakable character. It represents a range that balances tradition with forward-thinking engineering, tailored to a spectrum of drivers who demand engagement at every turn. From purist coupe models to cabriolets and high-performance variants, the 2025 911 family keeps the soul of the brand intact while dialing up innovation across design, tech, and performance. Porsche's approach here is evolutionary rather than revolutionary, but the cumulative refinement makes this the most advanced 911 generation to date. From the moment the engine roars to life, this machine projects confidence. Whether you're behind the wheel of a Carrera or a Turbo S, the emotion remains constant, raw, mechanical precision paired with luxurious execution. As your eyes fall on the front profile, the evolutionary changes become clear. The signature round headlights remain prominent, but they now feature upgraded matrix LED systems that blend seamlessly into the subtly reshaped front fascia. The intakes have been reworked to improve cooling efficiency, while active aerodynamic flaps adjust based on driving mode. In models like the Carrera GTS, the bumper adds more assertive lines, with sharper detailing around the air curtains and center grille. Subtle changes in the clamshell hood create better airflow while reinforcing that unmistakable 911 silhouette. Porsche hasn't strayed far from tradition but sharpened the design to communicate aggression with elegance. Even the front lip spoiler adapts to road conditions, contributing to high-speed stability without compromising curbside appeal. Looking from the side, the proportions remain textbook Porsche. The sloping roofline dives gracefully toward the rear, forming that timeless teardrop silhouette. Flush-mounted door handles keep the surface clean while enhancing aerodynamics. Standard Carrera models ride on 19-inch front and 20-inch rear wheels, while the Turbo and GTS versions elevate things further with staggered 20 and 21-inch forged alloys. The wheel arches have been subtly flared to accommodate wider tracks, providing not only improved grip but a broader stance that gives the 911 an even more muscular presence. Side skirts have been refined to channel airflow more efficiently along the body, working with the underbody paneling to reduce lift at high speeds. Side mirrors sit mounted on sculpted arms that minimize wind turbulence, contributing both to the auditory refinement and aerodynamic balance. Optional upgrades include lightweight glass, carbon fiber roofs, and various sport design packages that tweak lower moldings and accent finishes. Despite these additions, the side profile remains unmistakably 911. Nothing is unnecessary, every line serves purpose. Swing around to the rear and you'll find one of the most compelling views in modern automotive design. Interior stepping inside reveals a space designed to be as engaging as it is ergonomic. The layout has evolved, embracing digital displays while preserving the essential analog feel that enthusiasts love. A fully digital 12.6-inch curved instrument cluster replaces the traditional 5-dial layout, although retro-themed display modes bring back the essence of the classic tachometer. The center console features a newly integrated 10.9-inch touchscreen, supported by a reworked interface that's quicker and easier to navigate. Voice controls respond naturally to everyday commands, eliminating the need to fumble through menus. Materials used throughout the cabin speak to the brand's commitment to quality. Leather wraps nearly every surface, punctuated by contrast stitching that aligns perfectly no matter where your eye lands. Aluminum, carbon fiber, or matte wood trims can be configured depending on the buyer's taste. Even the roofliner is available in Alcantara for a motorsport-inspired feel. Seating is highly adjustable, with optional adaptive sports seats offering deeper bolstering without compromising comfort. Ventilation and heating are standard, as is dual-zone climate control. In models like the Turbo S or GTS, Porsche adds a sport chrono clock on the dash, real-time telemetry tracking, and memory settings tied to individual driver profiles. The rear seats remain symbolic in usability, more suited for bags than people, though they do add flexibility that most supercars ignore. Infotainment systems have received a meaningful overhaul. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, with optional integration for Spotify and Apple Music natively built into the operating system. A 12-speaker Bose system comes standard in Carrera models, while higher trims feature a 13-speaker Burmester setup that's tuned specifically to the acoustics of the 911's cabin. Navigation now uses Google Maps data with real-time updates, including EV charging infrastructure for upcoming hybrid variants. Performance: where the 911 truly separates itself is in performance. Every variant offers a unique driving experience tailored to different preferences, yet all feel unmistakably Porsche. The base Carrera starts with a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter flat-six producing 379 horsepower, delivering 0 to 60 in just 4 seconds flat when paired with the 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission. The Carrera S ups the ante to 443 horsepower, shaving a few tenths off the Sprint. Moving to the GTS unlocks 473 horsepower, track-ready suspension tuning, and a sportier exhaust note that echoes through tunnels with a mechanical symphony. For those craving ultimate speed, the turbo models offer ballistic acceleration. The turbo delivers 572 horsepower from a 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six, reaching 60 in 2.7 seconds. The Turbo S ramps up to 640 horsepower, 590 lb-ft of torque, and a top speed north of 205 miles per hour. The chassis incorporates rear-wheel steering, torque vectoring, and dynamic engine mounts that adapt in milliseconds. Braking performance is otherworldly, especially with the optional carbon ceramic discs. All-wheel drive in higher trims ensures that this power is translated to the road with surgical precision. Yet, even with this staggering performance, the 911 maintains daily drivability. Manual lovers aren't left behind. Select Carrera and GTS models still offer a 7-speed manual transmission, with rev matching and a short, mechanical throw that's rare in today's market. Pricing for the 2025 Porsche 911 lineup varies widely, offering options for both entry-level enthusiasts and high-end collectors. The standard Carrera Coupe starts around $116,000, while the Carrera S crosses into $130,000 territory. Cabriolet variants command roughly $12,000 more, while all-wheel drive Carrera 4 and 4S trims add additional traction with a modest price bump. The GTS starts near $155,000, while the Turbo hits just over $190,000. The Turbo S, fully loaded, can eclipse $220,000 before adding exclusivity packages or custom paint to sample finishes. Porsche's configurator is notoriously deep, with nearly limitless options from bespoke leather stitching to lightweight carbon packages and performance brakes. Ownership extends beyond price. Each 911 carries an unmatched heritage, built in Zuffenhausen by craftsmen who treat every car as a legacy. Maintenance intervals are reasonable, and Porsche's warranty includes 4 years or 50,000 miles, with extended plans available for long-term peace of mind. There's a version of the 911 for nearly every type of driver, from those seeking analog joy in a manual GTS to those desiring relentless speed in a Turbo S. The build quality is among the best in the industry. The driving feel remains unmatched. Every aspect has been refined for a purpose. It's a machine that delivers emotional connection, mechanical brilliance, and timeless design in one package. Whether it's parked in your driveway or storming down the Autobahn, the 2025 Porsche 911 doesn't just exist, it commands attention. It doesn't shout, it whispers power through precision. This isn't just a car. It's an experience sculpted through generations of relentless evolution.